Hindi sa itong katong salida no, kanang Legend of the Dead Star.
Oo. All.
Katong mermaid ba? Legend of the Dead Star.
Salida ng Legend of the Dead Star.
Legend of the Busi.
Sorry.
Nga video kay nag-brainstorming mi unsang among i-video karon kay murag nindot i-video diri da.
Ay, types of MM.
Oh yeah.
Types of MMK. Kaya types of MMK. Okay.
Okay.
Manghipos.
Ipahibutan ka. Yung nag-shooting kami, tapos kami yung alauna ng umaga. Ang ganda-ganda ng shooting namin.
Time check. Unsa na oras adong?
2:08.
It's 2 a.m.
Rules aren't for everyone.
We're still kicking, you know.
Nindot man yung mga ingon. Ani ka ng mga midnight, ka ng mga late night talks ba? Talks about life. Park?
Yes.
Why?
You meet different kinds of people.
Siskinahan eh.
Sus kailangan pinidirigi ka mga pangitagkuhan.
No, because park is versatile. Basta nagkagtaw.
Versatile. Pero day mag-fishing din.
Oh, nasa yung voice
Magtry
fishing.
ba
Illegal ba na fishing?
Voice fishing. Sige na, voice fishing.
Kanang masuonog ka ng kon ba? Kanang imong tingog niya ako.
Ay, kanang manawag nun niya.
Tama sa Korean movies.
Nag-give Korean movies.
Kaya nasa voice fishing ah.
So, ano dati? Kung siya peruste?
Karakan siguro voice fishing ah.
Kung ang Korean?
Korean.
Kasi meaning sa tonte.
Tontay. In English it is crazy. In Bisaya it is buang. Yeah.
In French.
In French it is bon boya.
Bongwa. Bongwa.
In my 19 years here in the Philippines, I never saw a man like that. And it's really embarrassing for me to saw that because it's too little, not so big.
Like mine.
Oh, don't talk about mine because it's so huge. The girls said to me that she was like choking.
Choke.
She was like choking because it's so
Hindi mo daw.
huge.
Hindi mo ba?
Oh no, it's too
PG.
It's strictly parental
Guidance.
guidance.
Yeah, censored naman ang Zboy.
Censored na bitaw, Raf. Go. Censored ra. Go. Pag high school ba? There was some gay nga. Kanang...
I remember it.
I remember it.
Now sa
And
one.
it's in the middle of the coconut tree.
Kanang gay nga. Gikalitrag gunit imong kamot ba din? Mark, sige na.
Kahit tagal kung sinusunod ang buong mundo para natin.
Kung nakigusto isulti ni Chris, isulti daw ito karon. Censored lang.
Laman mo na kahit may mahal ka ng iba.
Hala, kinsa kito yung pangan?
Steve. hindi mo ako mamahalin, pero umaasa pa rin ako.
Na virgin ka pa.
Huwag mo ko unahan. Yo guys, this is zboymntbn signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up, tweet me at zboymntbn, and anything else to add, Miss Ducks? Thank you!
See you next time.